So you may find yourself down in Tacoma at the Narrows Marina and think, boy, I'd like to launch my boat. Well, you can't. The hell with you. Now, this launch used to be open to the public where you could pay a small fee and launch your boat. But as I understand it, some fella, after a few too many cocktails, at some point decided to go for a drive and ended up in the drink. I don't know what happened to him, so I probably shouldn't joke about it, but it ended up causing the powers that be to close their private boat launch. But if you are a tenant and you're going to use it, well, you may. And you can see it goes down at a very nice angle. It's paved well. It's really quite nice, even on the sides. I remember when I used to use this one quite a bit, it would drop off a bit, but they've got gravel in there, so it's quite nice. And there's a dock here for tying up, greeting any visitors that you might have. They can just walk right down. It's a great facility. And then across the way over here, there's Boathouse 19, which is great food, a nice bar, and to the right of that is Narrows Brewery. So, you know, whether you're launching a boat or just coming down to have a nice beer on the water, that's where you go.